Welcome everyone to my channel again. In today's video I'll be talking about the online money making guide. Now this is going to be a very interesting video where I'll be showing you how to actually make money online. Now many people have this notion about online businesses, and because of the way that people get scammed and many other things happen, and I've been a victim of it in one way or the other. I've been scammed, but the truth is that there's money online, and if you just want to go digitally, it is the best way for your business. Now just make sure that you sit down, get relaxed as I talk on this guide, how to make money online. Now so you want an online business. Do you want to start an online business? One of the easiest ways to get up and running with internet business is through the sale of information products. Now information products are simply those that provide you with information about a particular subject that you want to know more about. Anyone who has an interest on any subject will welcome more detailed information about their interest, and providing this to them in an attractive, easy to consume product has been the basis of more than one success story on the internet. Let's take a look at some of the ways you can find a product to sell on the internet. So just what I've just said in this aspect is that selling your online information, information product online is one of the easiest ways to get started going with online business. Let's say for instance you are a hairdresser and then you have a lot of skills or information about hairdressing. You can actually tailor all those information in a simple ebook or a video course to actually sell online. Those are referred to as information product, where people who want to engage into or go into such kind of business will actually be glad to buy such ebook, and will be glad to actually watch your video, because this will save them the stress of going to the experience and the failure and just trying to waste time and so on. Selling information product is the first business you need to start, and I guess it is the best and easiest way to start making money online. Now the next is affiliate product. Becoming an affiliate of someone else's product is incredibly easy and can be incredibly profitable. You are simply acting as a salesperson for a product that someone else created, and you will use your website to help sell this product. The product creator pays you, the affiliate, a commission for each sale you make, and in turn you want to be in charge of any of the overhead or service related to creating, delivering, or servicing the product once you make the sale. Now we were having a discussion with a colleague in the online space, and they was telling me how do people actually make money through affiliate products. Now the creator of that product will actually lose money, but the truth is that affiliate products are very profitable. Let's say I'm selling an ebook for a price of 5,000 and I'm giving a 50% commission. Now what do I make? I make 2,500 from that product, and the affiliate also make 2,500. But the logic is this: what if 10 people are promoting that book and 10 people make what? 1 sales each. That simply means each one of them will be going home with 2,500. But what will I be going home with? More than 20,000 or 30,000. Now that is the easiest way of understanding how affiliate products work. This is taking someone else's product, creating a sales page or promoting it on your own website or your own blog, and whatever you sell, you don't have any business to do with the overhead. It simply means you don't have the business of delivering that good. You don't have any business of maybe question and answer, how does this product work and so on. No, you're just an affiliate. You just sell that product for the person, and you actually get commission. Some affiliates will give you 50% commission, and some will give you 40% commission, and some will give you 10% or even some 5%, depending on the product. But the joy is that you shouldn't actually be the one to create those products. Someone else created the product. All you just need is to market the product. I said the first is information product, and the second is affiliate product. Now for you to actually get affiliate product, you can go to ClickBank. ClickBank offers tutorials on how to get started, and support can often be obtained through the creators of the product as well. Once you sign up for a program, you will be allowed to use a myriad of graphics and advertising materials to help you achieve your sales goals. While earning a percentage of a sale through an affiliate program is attractive, especially considering how quickly the programs can be set up, any 100% of the sale can be even more attractive. The only way to do this is to create your own product. Now, what does it take to create your own product? Creating your own product. This statement may shock you, but I will bet you yourself have inside your mind information that will make for an incredibly valuable and profitable info product. The fact is, all of your experiences, talent, and skills, if put down in the proper format, could very well represent a value to someone else that doesn't have that knowledge or skill. Simply make a list of any hobby or talent that you have that you could teach to somebody else. If there is a big enough interest in a particular subject matter that you have knowledge about, then don't hesitate to create a product. As far as the world of online goes, an expert is merely someone who can provide specific information about a topic that someone else wants to pay to learn. Creating your own product doesn't require any special skills either. A sellable product could be as simple as an ebook, such as the one you are watching now on your screen, or a more detailed program that may include a series of videos, audio lessons, or a combination of any of the three. There are many places online you can use to outsource the work to be created. If you can type or talk into a microphone, then someone else can take this recorded material and turn it into an informative or information product you could sell on your website. Now, to get more detail about the product, you can actually go to Google to outsource materials and so on. Now, all I'm just talking about is this. Number one, you can actually make money online through starting your own business, selling information product. And how do you sell this information product? You put them either into an ebook or a video course or an audio course where people actually get to learn from you and so on. Now, if you actually want to learn more about importation and you want to know how to import yourself, how to be an exchanger, yuan exchanger, and so many forth, I teach all this online with just a little amount of money. Don't forget to click on the link below. It will give you access to my WhatsApp. And don't forget I said number two is affiliate. An affiliate is simply creating someone else, simply selling someone else's product. Now, get domain and hosting is very important to actually trade online. For you to be able to get domain and hosting, you can actually get on GoDaddy, Hostinger, Bluehost, and so many forth. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm Elisha Gaza, the founder of Elidemi Digital Marketing. In this channel I talk about importation, in this channel I talk about blogging, and everything in between. Thank you.